Beneath the vast expanse of the cosmos, whispers of destiny intertwine with the rhythm of our heartbeat. In the silent language of the universe, signs emerge, guiding us toward our deepest desires. Have you ever felt the subtle nudge of fate, sensed an invisible hand shaping your path? These are not mere coincidences, but the universe's way of communicating with us, hinting that what we seek is already on its way. Open your heart and mind to these signs and discover the profound connection between your intentions and the universe's boundless potential. A powerful sign that what you desire is imminent is the realization that you don't need it. When you release the need for something, you shift from a mindset of lack to one of abundance. This shift in perspective is crucial because neediness and desperation emit a frequency of scarcity, which can repel what you seek. Instead, understanding that everything you desire already exists within the universe changes your energy. Energy is never created or destroyed, but merely transformed. So what you desire is not something to be attained, but rather something to be realized. Moreover, recognizing that you are already whole and complete in yourself is transformative. The belief that external achievements or acquisitions will complete you is a fallacy. True fulfillment comes from within. When you internalize the idea that you don't need anything outside yourself to be happy, you cultivate a powerful, magnetic energy. Because it reflects a state of self-assurance and contentment, this energy naturally attracts your desires. You begin to resonate with the frequency of abundance, drawing similar energies towards you. Trust in the universe, believe in your inherent worthiness, and watch as the things you once felt desperate for flow effortlessly into your life. Understanding that everything is energy is a profound sign that what you want is on its way. In the universe, energy is the fundamental essence, and everything you desire is a form of this energy. Recognizing that energy is never created or destroyed reveals that your desires already exist in some form within the cosmos. They are not distant dreams, but tangible realities waiting to align with your vibration. By seeing your thoughts, emotions, and intentions as powerful tools, you can shape your reality. Aligning your energy with that of your desires creates a harmonious frequency that attracts these desires into your physical experience. Manifestation hinges on this principle. Visualize your desires as already achieved and feel the emotions associated with their fulfillment. This aligns your subconscious mind with your desired outcomes, turning abstract dreams into concrete realities. Every thought and emotion you emit is a signal to the universe, attracting similar energies. Feeling genuine gratitude and joy, as if your desire has already manifested, sets a powerful attraction mechanism in motion. Your desires will be drawn to you with greater ease and synchronicity when you consistently embody the energy of what you wish to attract. Recognizing that what you want is on its way involves understanding the power of self-brainwashing. Society and personal experiences often instill limiting beliefs that hinder your ability to manifest desires. To attract what you truly want, it's crucial to unlearn these negative beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Think of your mind as a computer. To enhance its performance, you must eliminate viruses and update the software. This means identifying and removing negative thought patterns while installing new, positive affirmations, creating a mental environment conducive to attracting your desires. Reprogramming your mind is an ongoing practice. Regularly feed your subconscious with positive affirmations and constructive beliefs. Visualize your mind as fertile soil where you plant seeds of positivity and nurture them daily. Over time, these seeds grow into a belief system that supports your goals. You become a magnet for your desires as a result of this mental shift. By reinforcing positive beliefs, you align your subconscious with your conscious goals, creating a synergy that propels you towards your aspirations. Embracing your inherent worthiness is a crucial sign that what you desire is on its way. The word desire means of the Father, indicating that your aspirations are divinely inspired. Your desires are the universe's way of expressing itself through you. By acknowledging this, you remove internal barriers and open yourself to receiving. Often, the gap between wanting and having is filled with self-doubt and feelings of inadequacy. Believing in your worthiness dismantles these obstacles, allowing your desires to flow to you naturally. Releasing limiting beliefs about your worth changes your vibrational state, aligning it with abundance. When you see yourself as worthy, you project confidence and self-assurance, which are incredibly magnetic. This inner transformation reflects in your external reality, attracting opportunities and experiences that resonate with your elevated sense of self. Manifesting your desires is easier when you internalize your worthiness and align with the universe's abundance. A profound self-realization is a powerful sign that the universe is ready to fulfill your dreams. Recognizing and practicing gratitude is a powerful sign that what you want to attract is on its way. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a vibration of abundance. This shift is crucial because, as the saying goes, to those that have, more is given. When you appreciate what you have, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, which attracts more of the same into your life. Gratitude is not just a feeling, but a state of being that communicates to the universe that you are ready to receive more blessings. By being genuinely thankful for your current situation, you signal to the universe that you are open and receptive to more positive experiences. Living in a state of gratitude transforms your perspective and your energy. When you consistently practice gratitude, you train your mind to focus on the positive aspects of your life, which in turn attracts more positivity. This mindset helps you recognize the abundance around you, reinforcing the belief that you are already on the path to achieving your desires. Gratitude also has a profound impact on your emotional well-being, fostering a sense of contentment and joy that is magnetic to the things you wish to attract. Gratitude creates a powerful resonance with the universe, signaling that you are ready to manifest what you desire. In conclusion, your ability to attract what you desire can be significantly enhanced by recognizing these signs from the universe. In order to align yourself with the flow of abundance, you must recognize that everything is energy. Reprogram your subconscious mind, believe in your worthiness, and practice gratitude. These principles, deeply rooted in the fabric of reality, guide you towards your goals with confidence and clarity. Watch as the universe conspires to bring your dreams to life, affirming your role as a powerful creator.